I thought I finally made it. A few months ago, I thought my life was about to change. Over 21,000 subscribers, millions of views, one short past 16 million views. For the first time, I thought I actually did it. But I didn't. One email changed everything. My channel was demonetized, and looking back, I don't regret it. But to explain why, we have to go back. I've been cutting hair since I was 14 years old. I actually enjoyed it, but deep down, I wanted something different. Not a mansion, not a Lambo, just freedom. The freedom to work anywhere, travel, go hiking, go fishing, just live a simple life. Then I found YouTube. I saw ordinary people building that kind of life, and I remember thinking, why not me? In 2021, something happened that I never thought would. My channel got monetized. Back then, I made barber tutorials and videos about the history of hairstyles. Nothing crazy, but every upload felt like I was getting closer to the life I wanted. Until the excitement faded. The views slowed down, the income stayed almost the same, and I started wondering, is this really it? Then in 2025, a friend of mine told me about YouTube automation. After just 4 months, he had earned over $2,800. I couldn't stop thinking about one question. How? So I started researching, watching successful channels, trying to understand why they work. The more I researched, the more convinced I became that I could do it too. I already had a monetized channel. I could start a new one, but I didn't. I archived almost all of my barber videos and used that same channel instead. Looking back, that one decision changed everything. The first 6 months were frustrating. Everything was edited on my phone. Most videos barely reached 1,000 views. My phone kept freezing. Editing was frustrating, but I kept uploading. Eventually, I bought my first PC, and that's when everything changed. The videos became better, then something finally clicked. 10,000 views became 100,000 views, then a million. Then one short crossed 16 million views, over 21,000 subscribers. Every morning, the numbers were higher than the day before. I kept refreshing YouTube Studio, not because I didn't trust it, because I couldn't believe it. For the first time, I honestly believed this is the beginning. Then, I got an email. My channel was demonetized. At first, I just stared at the screen. I even smiled, not because I was okay. I just didn't know how to react. The next morning, reality finally caught up. Months of work, late nights, the first real online income I thought I had finally earned, gone. Before I could even receive it, I remember asking myself, why now? For months, I kept replaying everything, every decision, every risk. Then I realized something. I was chasing the fastest way to change my life, but I forgot to build something that could last. And that's what I want to do now. So, here I am, starting again, not to get back what I lost, but to build something I'll be proud to look back on for the rest of my life. Because one day, whether this channel succeeds or fails, I'll come back to this video and remember exactly where it all started. Maybe it worked, maybe it won't. Honestly, I have no idea. But this time, I'm building something that's truly mine.